So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing lab, that is finding data in Google Sheets. So first of all, click on Start Lab. Now open Google Drive in incognito window. Now if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel for more such amazing content. So here it's signing in automatically. If it asks for username and password, check the lab for it. Now here click on I understand. Basically this lab is very easy and I understand. Now wait for the page to fully load. We have to click on the rise bakery, so click on it. Now it's getting opened. So basically here we have to export one file. So for that I have shared the file in the GitHub repo. So for that, check the description. So first of all, click on got it and follow the video carefully, otherwise you may face error. So now here you have to click on file and click on import, and from here file which you will be downloading from the GitHub repo, you have to upload it. I will show you how you have to download, so wait for it. So from here just select this file. I will share the file in the Telegram channel too. So now click on replace spreadsheet and wait for the sheet to update. Now here is the GitHub repo. So as you can see, you have to right click on it and then just download it and follow the way I have done. After that, when you will hit check my progress, you will get the score without any issue. So let's see. As you can see, we got full score without any issue. So finally guys, do like the video and subscribe the channel.